Hello everyone, this is Afshamullah and in this video we are going to solve one problem of exact differential equation. So before we solve it, let's understand which equations are called exact differential equations and how to solve it. Here I have written the definition of exact differential equation. The differential equation of the form mxy dx plus nxy dy is equals to 0 is said to be exact differential equation if it satisfies the condition that is dou m upon dou y is equal to dou n upon dou x. Now, for any differential equation to be said as exact, it has to be in the form of this form, that is mxy dx plus nxy dy is equal to 0, where m and n are function of x and y. And when we partially differentiate m with respect to y and n with respect to x, both the values must be equal, and when they are equal, the differential equation is said to be exact. Now, if the given differential equation is exact, then solution is given by this formula, that is integration of m dx plus integration of n dy is equals to c, where here we take y as constant and here we take terms which are free from x. Now, as we have seen what is exact differential equation and how to find the solution, let's see the procedure. This is the procedure to find the solution of exact differential equation. First, write the equation, given differential equation, as m dx plus n dy is equals to 0. When we write it, the next step is to compare the equation, the m and n, and note it down. When we find m and n, we have to partially differentiate m with respect to y and differentiate n partially with respect to x and obtain those values and check if both the values are same, then the equation is exact and the solution is given by integration of m dx plus integration of n dy. Here y is constant and here n. In here the terms are free from x. Let's solve the question. Our question is x square minus y square dx is equals to 2xy dy. Now this is the given differential equation. As we know, the first step is to convert it into the form of m dx plus n dy. How do we do it? Is we will simply bring 2xy dy to this side. That will become x square minus y square dx minus 2xy dy is equals to 0. Now this is the equation of the form m dx plus n dy is equals to 0. We will compare it with the equation m dx plus n dy is equals to 0. When we compare this equation with this, we get or we see that m is nothing but x square minus y square and n is minus 2xy. We have obtained m and n from our given equation. Now our next step is to partially differentiate both. Now first we will differentiate m with respect to y. When we do partial differentiation, we only consider the terms which have y in it, because x here will act as a constant. So differentiation of this term with respect to y is minus 2y. Similarly, when we differentiate this, dou n upon dou x, we are differentiating n with respect to x. Differentiation of x is 1. y is constant, so we will simply write it down as minus 2y. Now we have obtained both the values, and when we see them, when we compare them, we see that both the values are same. That is, dou m upon dou y is equals to dou n upon dou x. Therefore, given equation is exact differential equation. Now when we have found that the given equation is exact, our next step is to find the solution. And we know the solution is given by solution is integration of m dx plus integration of n dy is equals to c. Let's not forget that here y is constant and here we need terms free from x. So now let's put the value of m and n here according to the conditions. Now our m is nothing but x square minus y square. So we will put integration of x square minus y square dx plus integration n. We don't have any term which is free from x here. Therefore, we will simply put 0 dy is equals to c. Now we will put this integration separately to both the terms. It will be integration of x square dx minus integration of y square dx is equals to c. Integration of x square with respect to dx is nothing but x cube by 3, and here y is constant, so when y comes out, the integration of 1 remains. Integration of 1 dx is nothing but x. So we will simply write it xy square is equals to c. If you want, you can give the reason, since integration of dx is nothing but x. Now we have got the solution. If you want, we can further simplify this or keep it as it is. Therefore, on further simplification, we can do is multiply whole the equation by 3. We will get x cube minus 3xy square is equals to c dash. Here we can write that c dash is nothing but 3c. You can keep it this or this and write that this is our required solution. Thanks for watching. This is our final answer. Thank you. Bye bye.